Setting announce calls on your iPhone 16 allows you to hear who's calling without looking at your screen, enhancing convenience and safety, especially when using headphones or in your car. Here's how it's done. First, navigate to the home screen by swiping up from the bottom of the display. From the home screen, tap on Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Apps. Locate Phone from the list of apps and then tap on it to access and manage its settings. To continue, tap on Announce Calls. Here, you'll see several options including Never, Headphones in Car, Headphones Only and Always. Select Headphones in Car if you want calls announced when using headphones or connected to your car's audio system. Select Headphones Only if you only want calls announced when using headphones. Select Always if you want your iPhone to always announce incoming calls when using headphones. To disable this feature, select Never. Simply tap to mark your preferred option. This iPhone 16 feature enhances your calling experience by allowing you to hear who's calling without needing to look at your phone. It's particularly useful when driving or when your phone isn't easily accessible. You can always adjust this setting based on your preferences or situation. Just repeat the same steps to get back to the phone app settings and make necessary changes. And that's it. Please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.